Education. I don't go check you for your this thing. They say you get here.
What happened?
It's here. Now because say we don't put fat mouth for this matter. You know, say we not tell him say when you bring his sister. Now you go carry deaf and dog can't give me. I go kill that boy.
Which boy again?
Acho. The one I tell you say he do secure on top of my sister. You don't forget. Even when I'm over, you don't do anything. If you see the girl where
Do ya this in your pregnant?
no, what I talk now. You go carry deaf and dumb, can't give me. Now what you not tell me give me? That will go carry deaf and dumb. Now deaf and dumb carry.
No, that boy will tell us make him carry his sister give her.
Now the sister where
deaf and dumb.
Now deaf and dumb carry can't give me.
Wait. What be the name of that your friend, Seth?
My friend Acho.
Is it not the one we judge you with
Naim.
him bring his sister for your house? What do you say happened?
I said na deaf and dumb. He carry deaf and dumb can't give me. The girl know they hear anything.
You know they hear.
You know they hear.
What do you call her? You say like girl.
Wait. Let me be verified because I'm not a lawyer, but I think I have the idea of law more. So after our judgment in that my farm near my house there, he bring his friend, his sister mean to your house.
They bring her
to your own house.
na my house.
The one when they bring the girl.
The girl now she be girl.
You get a breast.
Very small thing.
And he didn't get nyash.
You get.
What are you gonna complain again?
I said na deaf and dumb. He carry deaf and dumb can't give me.
Okay, no.
Get heading.
The girl no allow me make her touch her.
Now it be your problem.
Now if I talk you go do.
I think you say your name now waiting.
Education.
You really know. You remember I asked you that day that type of name where they ask education whether you go that education well.
Now
So you let her bring his sister to your house.
you bring them.
You say deaf. The deaf and dumb, is it under that place when they play that till they do siki, or is it where?
Is it the question where you asking me?
What did the deaf and dumb to do with the girl where you bring for you?
Is it not our agreement? Agreement is agreement.
So me I don't agree. Me I don't
Listen,
agree.
my friend.
I don't do.
You are talking like somebody. You're a small boy. Eh? Even you get well with it. Even the person war at this. Instead you put your hand in their face and they do it. Don't be so.
That's so.
That one I better pass.
Now him better pass because
So-
deaf and dumb that they a fine pass.
So that is where they talk on your business.
If you don't education no dey do them and dumb. I don't go do. I go do am.
You be mugu, you be true. So
You dey force am?
your friend they bring his sister to your house.
True.
And they are talking. Is it outside? Is it inside your room? Where?
You share this question. Now inside my room.
Oh. so I don't know why you would take.
Are you sure say you never give am belle?
I go kill that boy. I don't tell you. I go kill that boy.
Now be say that
Now you dey look for trouble this time.
that your education safe no get head because that your friend where you the thing say you don't know anything. Be like say na him wise person.
Hey, I go kill that. I don't tell you say that guy. The girl no agree make I touch him.
That one na your business. Agreement is agreement.
I no go do it. I go kill that boy. I go kill that boy.
Listen and listen good. You see that boy? That's the way they talk. If that boy bring that case to us again, say they disturb him. Now there we go bring you to Amokwe. First of all, you know the bump again.
Okay now.
Huh?
Okay, now.
Look at boy.
I will kill that boy. You don't want to
It's not, yeah, the boy no one.
No, those Igbo when they smoking
And Igbo play for some.
Accept them.
You're a useless idiot.
How you go carry them and dog?
So somebody bring you again inside your room, and they are still complaining, say deaf and dog. Maybe you don't pregnant the. Don't worry. Anyway, we don't do this one again.
You go bring the girl.
Nah, they complain. They complain. Say this one, that one.